My name is Paul Gill. I'm with Lomiko Metals, trades on the TSX under the symbol LMR. And our property is a graphite property in Quebec that we've recently drilled and found good grades of high-grade flake graphite. We like Quebec. It has a long history of mining, and it's been very active, and we think it's a good place to start a mine that will last for 10 or 20 years. Well, Lomiko has done a considerable amount of work in the last year. What we've been able to accomplish is an acquisition, a 43101, a drilling program, and report excellent results. So we've got 11 drill holes that have been completed that are considered highlight holes, and that means that they have significant intercepts of graphite, of flake graphite, and at mineable intervals. So we have 4 or 5 meters of 10%, 2 meters, or sorry, we've got 70 meters of 2%, and anything in between, such as 19 meters of 6% and 11 meters of 8%. So we've got a concentric circle going outwards from very high grade down to medium grade graphite. So it means that we've got graphite for every particular aspect of the graphite market. Yeah, we've had a number of catalysts in the last little while. The last one being that we announced that we were going to complete metallurgy on the project, which has been very helpful for some of the other companies in breaking into the graphite space and having investors take notice of them. So the metallurgy is imminent. We expect it within a week. And secondly, we've announced a strategic alliance with Graphene Labs of New York, which is a company that produces graphene and sells it on the market. So what we'd like to do is to establish a vertically integrated business with them so that we can take flake graphite from our project, mill it, process it, and send it to Graphene Labs, and they have the scalability potential. The great thing with Graphene Labs is they have over 4,000 customers, anything from Fortune 500 companies down to national laboratories in the US and across the world. So we think that that is a very good starting point to where we can get to revenue. And then we have a potential for the industrial applications of graphite as well. So we're very happy with that. And we think that as the things progress, there will be more and more catalysts. Well, markets are always difficult, and hard times are when hard people have to bear down. We're investors for the long term, and I think people have to remember that the long term is where you make your money. It took us 7 years for us to sell our copper project back in 2003 when we started at 5 cents. It closed off at $4 in 2011. It doesn't happen overnight, and it's patience, 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 and believe in the decisions you've made and stick with them.